blown out oil. And here you guys. All right, guys, I've been wanting to do a vlog for you guys for the longest, but it's hard. I had some mouth work done, and I'm in a lot of pain. I can't do but so much. As far as cooking, I even hold back on some of my cooking videos on my other channel. My mouth is really bad. You should have seen my face. Might put a picture up of what I look like with my face swollen a couple of days ago, but I'm feeling a little bit better. It's my choice to take them out because they was bugging me. I had got them done a couple of years ago, but somehow I felt something crack in the side of my jaw once, and I didn't think nothing of it, but it happens to that something had damaged my bone. So I removed them, and I think when I'm done now healing, I have like 6 months to go before I get some implants back here somewhere, and I'm going to go ahead and do that to get it. I already start the process. So right now they remove the tooth, they put some, you know, bones in or whatever it is they needed to do, so that at least it could heal to get the implant in. And it's pretty much stitched up. My mouth is stitched up right now, and it's painful. I'm on antibiotics and a few other medication, but for now I think I'll be okay. Go sit down, sweetie. Let me get this here. I think
these are, I don't know if these are the best I could find.
Oh, I guess that'd be all right. Oh no, there ain't no damn. What you talking about, Hawaiian rolls? Oh, we call them Chinese bump back in the day in Jamaica. No. You don't want those?
Uh-uh.
And then, funny thing, when she was born with a lot of hair. But the thing was, her hair wouldn't grow. But she always had a full head of hair, curly hair, looking like a little doll. And she grew up with this hair of curliness, which I think she inherited some from her dad and me. My daddy was a little curly-headed man too. And most of my siblings are here. They're pretty much the same texture. I gotta spray this part. I don't wanna. And like I said, spraying it using some of this. I don't know if I could get it to focus. There you go. And it smells so good, and it does a lot to her hair. Then using that, if I'm gonna keep her hair curly, I use this detangler right here. It's pretty good. Can't go without the Blue Magic for the scalp.
Oh.
All right, my love. All right, you can turn her off for a minute.
My feet are sweating in the Crocs.
Okay, well, kick them off. You're outside. You're on the back porch. I don't see why you even have them on. You want the camera off your face?
Mm-mm.
Okay. If you don't want to be on camera, you can always tell me. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more.
What is so funny that's making Tuz laugh so hard?
I don't know.
If I was laughing with it, it would have to be something really funny.
Hold this. But you know your brother. He's extra. No matter what I do, the front of her hair is always curly. Even if I blow dry it, it stays curly. I don't know why. It doesn't get chippy dry like the back. Like she has two texture here. And let me go hold this. Let me use the brush instead of that comb. It's too fine. Hey, watch your mouth, boy. I don't care. I could hear you. in front of the camera. Go out back to the wall right here. All right, this is it though. All right, guys, so this is it. I finished pressing it out a bit, and it makes it easier for me.
Like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when a new video uploads. Bye, everybody.
All right, so there we go. All right, my love, that's it for that.
Now I get to see my phone.
All right, guys, so I went ahead and did it because it's going to be easier for me, and it makes perfect sense. But most importantly, thank you guys for opening this video. I'm going to try to upload a little bit more often now we're going towards the holiday season. I'm going to try to do Vlogmas. Half of it going to be here in Florida and half is going to be in Jamaica. Of what we're doing. I'm going to try to be a little bit more than before when I did Jamaica. Some things I just didn't because I was so busy, and some of them was a little bit more private. But at Christmas time, I really have fun with the kids in Jamaica. I'm talking like this, like I told you guys before. I have my mouth done, and my mouth is in pain right now. But anyways, I have a few things in mind to do and share with you guys along the way, a little bit of where I come from. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and trust me, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on because it doesn't cost a thing. And see you in the next one. I'm going to try to get another one up before the end of the week. I'm going to put this up either Sunday night or Monday night with a few other things added to it. Bless.